So part two, time for an upgrade, even more than this. So, you know, I mounted this, happy with it, looks cool. You know, a little better on the paint job would be nice. Got some rust coming here, so I think I'm gonna give her another once I take some of this rust off. But the main issue I have is that the wind is still shooting in here. Could have taken the metal all the way down, but then, you know, this moves around when you're loading a boat on or whatever you're doing, and now you're biting into this. So easy way to solve that is take the rubber mud flap I had, bought a 2-pack, used one of them for my snow guard on my snowmobile, snow flap. Took the other one, measured half, you know, boom, now we got this coming up under here. That's gonna work great. So you know, you can go here, but then you're gonna have a lot of water and gunk sitting on here. So underneath, just like that, might rivet it, might just do bolts and nuts, we'll see. But it's gonna be a nice, quick, easy upgrade. So let's get that going. All right, so I sanded a good bit. Just gonna clean it up first with some water, then with some rubbing alcohol before we repaint. See if I'm long enough. Oh yeah. So to put in these 8-inch rivets, we're going to use a 9/64 cobalt drill bit so we can drill through the metal. See where we want to be. Oh, thank you. You can just throw it up here if you want. Oh, thanks. Thank you. Yeah, thanks. Make a little mark. So between the two of these, we need 17 inches. Or I should say on each one we need 17 inches. Looks like we're gonna take about that much off each one. Hey. Really scrunch up like I wanted to, so I'm going to try to fix that with these. All we really need to do is flatten that out so that the rubber can't push through that hole. Pretty much what we're looking for right there. Time to go fishing. Don't have time to put the other side on, but I do want to paint it because it's going to rain tomorrow. So, all right, especially where I put the oil on for the drilling the middle. Don't want to have oil underneath the spray paint. Not a good mix. Whoa, that thing, oh, that thing's an ankle biter. That felt good. Oh yeah. So there's the completed roof rack with the wind fairing. This heavy duty rubber is really going to do well, last a long time, provide that shock absorption if this rack moves, unlike having metal come all the way to the painted surface that'll be bouncing or digging into it. The rubber is just going to do a great job of absorbing any movement while at the same time providing maximum wind efficiency. Obviously you're still gonna have some wind drag when you have any type of roof rack, but this is gonna eliminate it as much as possible, make it as efficient as possible. The aluminum rivets with the rubber, I don't know if those were the greatest idea. You could have gone with bolts and nuts just as easily. Well, the nuts would have taken a lot more work to put on, but we'll see if these hold up over time or not. Just kind of did a crimping type situation on the back here, since the way a rivet works, it expands, so it really expands and bites well onto the metal, but the rubber expands too easily, so rivets aren't normally a great thing with rubber, but it seems like I've found a solution just by bending them upward or smashing them into a odd shape so they're not going to the hole's not gonna be able to slide back over the top like it could when I first put them on. So anyways, there you go. Hope this inspires some of you to make a similar mod to your roof rack to cut down on the wind drag, and I think it looks pretty cool too. So thanks for watching.